welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do opening puppy supplies part 2. So last time in part 1's description, I told you that that was not all the supplies we needed. We need a lot more. So here is the second video. I don't know if there's going to be part 3. So this is the dog bag. And we're also going to open the dog crate. And we're also going to open the dog pen. So I don't know what package is that in the back, but let me show you the pen. One sec to walk around here. I don't know why there's this sticker. Okay, so this is the dog pen. It's an extra pen, but it can be for other stuffed animals. Stuffed animals? I meant animals. Sorry. Okay, so this is the main package today. This is its treats. This is, what is that? Oh, food. And then this dog bell. And then these are pliers? Nail clippers. Okay, this is poop bag. This is diabetic powder to stop bleeding if you accidentally cut his nail off, but that won't really happen. This is his leash. Wait, what's that? Or is that just a bag? I don't know what's that. Okay, so this is its toys. It's a pack. There's a stuffed animal in it. And there's also other toys like tug of war and stuff like that. Is that it? Oh yeah, that. The stain and odor eliminator, so basically it won't be that smelly in our house. And this is its color. The color and leash are the same color, and same with the harness. You should have saw the harness in the last video. Basically, I'm going to repeat this from the last video. It's dog bag, bed, harness, collar, and leash are all blue because he's a toy, and then we just got it. And also the Kong dog toy is also blue.